Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a Traveller's Notebook insert junk journal style that I've made, and this one has an Alice in Wonderland theme to it. I've used a clasp envelope and I had to cut it to size because it was a huge one. I think it was like 12 by 9 or something like that. Excuse me. I inked it up using Distress Stain. I think it was Gathered Twigs. It's been Mod Podged. I've managed to sew around the edge here. It's just held together with this because you could put this inside your Midori or it can be used on its own. The main papers in this are from ARTYmaze, and she has this in two sizes, normal journal size and a Traveller's Notebook size. So that's the back. So let's go inside. So on the inside cover I've just used one of the pages there from the kit, and then there's this lovely one with Alice and the keyhole. We've got a flip up, flip down. This is a journaling card from the kit, and in here we have a tag from the kit. I think I actually used tags from both kits in this, like the larger size and the TN size, but I can't remember if they're exactly the same or not, so you have to check that out. This postcard here is from Dreamzetc, and that's what's in there. I just made a little paper clip there, and we've got a tag and a journaling card. These are both from Dreamzetc. Whoopsie. We've got some squared paper. There's some stenciling on there. I've done the honeycomb stenciling on this one. That doesn't want to go down. Love the images of these. They're so they just remind me so much of film, like the newer film for some reason, not like the old one, the one with like Johnny Depp in it. Postcard from the kit. No, it's not. I think that might be Dreamzetc. Here we've just got the little tea time envelopes, and I used the journaling cards that were supposed to go in this. I used them elsewhere, so these are empty, so you can fill them with your own little bits, because this will be for sale on my Etsy. Paper bag, some stenciling. Here is a bookmark, and I can't remember where I got that from, but it was an Etsy seller. But if anyone is interested, just ask me and I will try and find the seller's name. I really can't remember who it was. So I just backed that onto some cardstock so it can actually be used as a proper bookmark. You can take it out and use it actually in your books. Another page from the kit. Here we've just got a pocket, and in the pocket we have a tag. I don't remember where I got this, but it was from an Etsy seller, and it says "Drink Me." Little card from the kit, and a ticket from the kit, so that all slots in there. So I made these little tags because I got these again from Etsy, can't remember who, and these little tags here, so I just made like little pockets on the tags, and that's the other one. I think you get quite a bit, maybe about 20 of them on one sheet, but they are that size, they're not like any bigger, but I think they're quite cute, so I made them tags up. It's just got some seam binding on there. Here I just done the full vellum effect on that using the baby oil, and obviously made a belly band, and this is just a little flip out for journaling, and I used one of the tickets as a little stopper, so that just pops in there. Some lined paper. Here I made a top and bottom tuck there. Again, one of these little postcards, and I think they are that size as well. Another "Drink Me" tag, and a journaling card from the kit. I can't remember how I had that now. Oops. So the ticket goes in there, and the tag, and we've got a little heart there. A doily, a tag. Inside here is a little envelope with a journaling card. And that opens up like so. Doesn't want to go back in. Ta-da! So there we have it. Here is another one of these bookmarks. Again, it's just paper clipped on, so you can journal on there, or you could actually make it into a tuck spot if you wanted. Some bead dangles. Oh, the bead dangles have got like crowns and hearts and things like that on it. Squared paper, paper from the kit. Here I just made a long corner tuck with a tag, little envelope with yeah, it's got a journaling card inside there. That just slots in there, as does that. One of these little mini postcards and the little mason jars from the kit. There is 92 pages front and back in there. Sorry, I just wobbled the camera. Some little bead dangles in the centre of the signature. Try and do this a little bit quicker. Another one of these little postcard tucks and a corner tuck, and a tag. And this was from Dreamzetc, and for some reason my paper went in wonky, so I had to trim around the edges, but I still managed to save that piece. And another drink me tag. This is a flip out. This is one, again, one of the bookmarks, but I've just glued that on there. We've got a little key on there, and inside this paper bag is an envelope. Was there anything in there? Yes, there is. Little card, it says bonker, about being bonkers. Have I gone mad? I'm afraid so. You're entirely bonkers. A little ticket from the kit which I've left there, so you could actually tuck something in there, and that's from the kit. I've done some full stitching on this. Still not really been able to use my foot that much, so my purse sewing machine is only getting used now and again. Just been able to do a little bit, but not much. Again, little ticket. This was the other one that came out wonky, so I kind of lost the edges of it, so it's just there. 3 tags. I just kept them as one whole piece, and that tucks up there. Little heart here, a little bit of paper, and an extra piece of paper. Another one of these tags with these 2 little tags inside. And that's what's in there. Pocket here, a tag from the kit. Excuse me. A little envelope. There's nothing inside there. And another drink me tag. Each one's got a different image, but they all say drink me. Quite like them. Here is another full vellum belly band. It's really good because if you're using like a thinner paper, not that I do, I use a photo paper which is like 120 something GSM. Not sure what that is when in America you call it pounds. I can't work that one out yet. We call it GSM over here. So but if you were using a really thin paper, it actually really strengthens it up as well. So that's a good technique. So that's another one of those envelopey things, and a little tag glued on there with some seam binding. Another flip out here with one of the bookmarks, some bead dangles on there. I think that's got a little heart on it, and that is a little heart. Oh. Paper bag, tag doily, and inside here we've got another one of these triple tags and a little pocket. There's a tag in that one. So that, oh, I thought that was it. Not quite. Here we've just got another little tag and a little banner there with the rabbit. This is a flip up, flip down. You can journal inside that or tuck things inside there. A tag and a ticket. And that is the end. So if I haven't said already, this will be for sale on my Etsy. If anyone's interested, I will have the links below. If you have any questions, just ask. and thanks for watching. Bye.